Good morning, Arlene.
Good morning, Your Honor. How are you this morning?
Great, thank you.
I was hoping it was you.
You can get out of here.
Yes.
Mr. Garcia. Mr. Garcia. So, Catherine, it looks like you only have 5 today.
I know I I printed it out last night and I was like 25 and now it's 5, so it's doable.
Yeah. Yeah. It's been a slow week. They know
So
Mr. Dykes is here and they don't want to come. So
Oh.
they just say, I don't want to leave. I don't want to leave. I'm going to bond out. I don't want to see that guy.
Well, I noticed there's notation AG office. So now if they cannot be released because of the AG's order, I'm assuming family violence.
No, we can still release them. We just can't PR them. So I don't know what that means, Catherine. I'm sorry.
No, I've never seen it. That's why I was just like,
Yeah, I've never seen it either. Hey, can you tell us what community court is?
uh,
Do you even know?
I thought it was that they would go to municipal court or there was something with housing. And then like they're homeless and it's
Okay.
like,
Your Honor,
Yes.
from what I understand, community court is a specialty court. I think it's run by Judge Vara. And we can refer cases that specifically are like involving issues of homelessness. For example, like a lot of, multiple criminal trespasses. And if the situation is a homeless person, that's the kind of case, to my knowledge, that can be referred over there.
And they try to find them housing and stuff, or
It is my understanding that yes, that they try to help them out.
okay.
In custody, they'll get PR.
So I guess the client has to agree.
And my partner also just let me know that if they're in custody, that they can get a special PR bond through community court.
Okay. Mr. Garcia, can you hear me now?
I can. Good morning, Judge.
Good morning. Okay, your client wants out bad. So do you already have an offer?
I do, and I've already filled out my side of the paperwork. It's just on one case and they're gonna TIC the other.
Okay, I'm gonna send you to 3 because she's been talking to me since 8 o'clock. She got a job.
Awesome.
Okay, there you go.
Thanks, Judge.
All right. Mr. Froelich, what's going on? Oh, you're gone again. Okay, let's get Brittany Bussero. She's up.
I asked her to get out of the room, the breakout room, but she didn't know how, so I told
That's
her.
okay. I hear her. She's over there. They'll help. She's got to go to a different spot. There she is.
Okay.
Okay, I've got the okay. Brittany, this is 645-116, the state of Texas versus Brittany Bussero. Raise your right hand for me, ma'am. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give in this call will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? Oh, they got to unmute you. She just said yes. Lower your hand. All right. Who do we have for the state?
James Dykes on behalf of the state of Texas.
And on behalf of Miss Bussero?
David A. Garcia, attorney for Brittany Bussero, Judge.
Okay, it looks like we're going forward on 645-116, Miss Bussero, to the criminal trespass building, and they're going to take into consideration or dismiss the other case for your plea. Is that your understanding?
Yes.
All right. Now, you're entering a plea of no contest. That means you want to waive your right to a jury trial today. You want to waive your right for your attorney to question any witnesses and the right to remain silent. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And you're okay to do this by video conference today?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you feel your client's mentally competent, Mr. Garcia?
I do, Your Honor.
Was she able to assist you with the preparation for any defenses?
She was
How long have you represented her?
over 10 days.
Okay. Are you satisfied with your attorney's advice?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you a U.S. citizen?
I am.
Okay, if I don't follow your plea bargain, then I'd let you take back your plea. Nothing we've done so far would be held against you. If I go along with it, you're not going to be able to complain or appeal my decision. Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then I'm going to accept your plea of no contest. I'm going to find you guilty and state what's the agreement.
Your Honor, the agreement is for $0 fine plus court costs, 76 days Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent. We ask that this fully satisfy the judgment, and state will take into consideration cause number 684331.
Mr. Garcia, is that your understanding? Mr.
It is, Your
Garcia?
Honor.
Okay. All right, then, Miss Brittany, I am going to follow that plea bargain. That means that this case is judgment satisfied. Your other case is dismissed.
Thank
There
you,
is
ma'am.
nothing, as far as I know, holding you here. So you should be released sometime today or tomorrow so you can go back to work, okay?
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, good luck.
Thank
Good
you.
luck.
Thank
Thanks,
you,
Judge.
Mr. Garcia. You're excused.
You're welcome. You'll have a great day.
You too.
Give me keys so I could see if Hunter, if they want Hunter. And then. Terry.
Go ahead, Gil.
Andrew Froelich raised his hand. Yes, sir.
I'm still waiting on my client, Mr. Hunter.
Oh,
It's
they
been-
put him in a long time ago. Let me just make sure.
Yeah,
Did I
they're
not
bringing him
turn
now.
it to-
They got it, Judge. They're bringing
Okay.
him
Okay. Just checking.
Okay. Sorry about that.
Maybe he went to the wrong court. Let me call him.
I have his card.
Oh, the chinga. He's not even here.
It's an SA 54. There's his card right here. No Hunter, right? No Hunter? I've been calling you, bro. You here from talking to her or what? Bro, did you do out here? I haven't heard you, sir. Bro, come on, give me here. Oh, no, let's go. All right, that's enough. That's all that matters. That's all that matters. Okay, you're gonna have to- you talk to your attorney? When he tells you to sign that number,
He wasn't responding. He's here.
Oh, okay. Is he going there now?
He says he didn't hear him. Everybody else did.
Yep, I did. Way back here.
I'm ready to go. All I gotta do is just tell him when to sign it.
Hey, Valverde, do you need Mr. Campos to fill out that personal data sheet, or can he move along with it?
I'll go over it with him, but it's not gonna
Yeah, go
let
ahead.
Teresa go through the process unless he at least puts in his
I'll
email,
stay right there. Because
address,
if I come through here-
and one more
Okay,
thing
buddy.
on there. That's
Okay.
just the way it's set up on Adobe.
Okay, so he has to put his email address in there?
Yeah, and if he doesn't have one, just make one up. I'll go over with him. I'll get information from him.
Okay.
But tell her it has little red asterisks by it. He has to at least fill that out on 4 of the cases or 3 of the cases, I think, that he's getting probation on.
Okay, okay, you know what, I'll let her know.
Okay, yeah.
Yes, he needs his email and something else in there. So this is what Alex already said that people will move on and just put email. You can just make one up. Just make one up. That's all you have to do. Oh, thank you.
I don't plug a new shit like that. Ain't my job. You put the email. Some of the paperwork, you have to, some of it requires emails and stuff like that, personal information. And some of them come like that and some of them don't. So once the ones that come in, you have to put something in there. So they make up emails. And spread that whole.
When they're at the bottom, where they're filling out those red dots.
Yes. All right, I'll take care of it. I'm doing it right now. I'm leaving a blanket.
Right, and I know, and I think the way the computer does it is that they'll just do it when he gets released. And it's very difficult, especially when they say.
Yeah.
So thank you so much for helping me.
Mr. Dykes, do you know by chance who is going to be the DA for next week by chance?
As a matter of fact, I don't.
Okay.
I can see if Dan is around and I can talk to him later and have him
Okay.
let you know, because last I checked, no one had volunteered, so.
Okay, because I need to send out my Monday docket today to somebody and of course, the new Zoom link. I need somebody to send it to. If you don't mind checking for me, Mr. Dykes, I appreciate you.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
All right, we're gonna do Darren Hunter.
Mr. Hunter.
He doesn't hear well. So speak up.
Here he is, Judge.
All right, thank you.
Right.
All right, Mr. Hunter.
Yes, ma'am.
This is 720-499, State of Texas versus Darren Hunter. Raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you will give in this cause will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
That's right, yes, ma'am.
You can lower your hand. You're charged with the offense of burglary of a coin-operated machine. That's a Class B misdemeanor. You could have gotten up to a $2,000 fine, up to 180 days in jail. That's the full range of punishment. However, I'm looking at paperwork that states that you signed that you don't want to have a right to a jury trial or the right to cross-examine witnesses. You want to waive those rights, including your right to remain silent, so that I can follow the plea bargain that your attorney has worked out with the state. Is that correct?
Correct.
Okay. Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you feel, Mr. Froelich, do you feel your client's mentally competent?
I do, Your Honor.
Has he been able to assist you in the preparation of any defenses?
He has.
And how long have you represented him?
Since I was appointed to represent him, Your Honor.
Over 10 days?
Honestly, Monday, October 30th is when I was appointed,
Okay.
and I did a jail visit with him on October 31st and met him and talked to him then.
Thank you
I don't
very
know
much.
if it's not quite
That's
10.
fine. That's good. All right. Then I'm going to accept your plea of no contest, Mr. Hunter. And I would ask the state, is there an agreement?
There is, Your Honor, 7 days confinement in the Bexar County Jail. Credit for time already served. $0 fine plus court costs. We ask that the time and money be concurrent and that the judgment be fully satisfied.
That's our understanding, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Hunter, I intend on following that plea bargain. Therefore, your judgment is satisfied. You will not be able to appeal my decision. And if you have no other holds, which I don't see any, you should be out sometime today or tomorrow, okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, good luck.
Hey, right over there, Mr. Hunter.
Thank you, Mr. Froelich. Go handle your
Thank
other
you.
matters.
I will. Thank you, Judge. Good to see you.
You too. Bye-bye.
Which one?
I'm not taking it down.
He's from my second.
You get his card ready?
No. It's up there. Yeah, but you guys sent him down already?
No. You gonna wait till later or what?
Yeah, just wait till later.
Yeah, that's not that.
Yeah, they are.
He's not being good.
Oh, he's not?
Got assault, probably injury. I know.
Down to 691.
Ms. Alcantar, we're going to go ahead and finish our pleas before we start with Ms. Ramon.
I'm just that. I forget. Okay, I'm saying you should write that.
Send it to me. Nick Sampson asked me if I qualify. I'll say yes here. Hey, when somebody asked me if I qualify, I'm gonna say yes. Look at it.
Hey, did you update Debbie on the refusals?
No.
And she wants to know who was in.
Who wasn't here?
I don't know the ones you said you were gonna take care of.
Which ones was it? Dude, I don't know. You just told me. You didn't tell me which ones were.
I can tell you Jose Gonzalez refused,
What was it?
Johnny Green.
Thanks, Judge.
Johnny Green, Sandra Jones.
What? Yeah, you can go here in a little bit. Hold on.
You're gonna go when everybody else goes.
Well, she wants to go.
I think she thinks the faster she goes, the faster she gets out, which I told her wasn't true.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. She doesn't know Bear County,
No, she thinks that we're done, so she can get out because she has no property.
Maybe she has a fast pass.
We are family. We all go together.
Poor thing.
All right, I guess we'll start the bonds since she's still working.
Okay, let me get them together, Judge. Here,
Okay.
we'll just start with the,
I'll go check on the plea for the time being. I'll go check on it real quick.
you want to get the misdemeanors first?
Yes, is that
Okay.
Catherine's? You're on the
Karen Corby isn't here, Judge. Felony is Catherine Valenzuela.
Oh,
She's
we need to do felonies first then.
Okay, Ray, get the felonies. There's only 4, I think.